Chrysalis.
What is this?
Chrysalis.
Chrysalis. This one?
Alright.
Butterfly. Very good. Ilango. Ilango.
Now look at the screen.
Life cycle of a butterfly.
Egg.
Ah.
Caterpillar.
Ah.
But chrysalis.
Very good. Very good. Super, my Ilango. Next is Adya Sharma. Adya Sharma, you are able to hear me?
Butterfly.
बताओ ये क्या
No
है?
butterfly.
ऐसे नहीं करते बेटा, चलो.
First egg. Can you see? First stage. Adya, look here, look here.
एक है
फिर क्या है?
caterpillar.
हाँ.
Very good. Next.
हैं?
Crane.
क्रेन नहीं बेटा, क्रिसलिस.
Chrysalis.
This
Very good. Finally,
fire.
हाँ.
butterfly. Very good, Adya. Adarsh. Adarsh. Egg.
Next is
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Next.
next is
Chrysalis. Very good. Next.
Butterfly.
Very good, Adarsh. High five, kudunga, Adarsh. Good boy, Adarsh. Very good. Next, Nakshatra. Nakshatra. You're welcome, Adarsh. Come on. Life cycle of butterfly.
என்னது
Egg.
Egg.
Next. Can you see? What is this?
சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
Capital.
Caterpillar. Good. Next. Chrysalis.
சவுண்டா சொன்னா கேட்கும்.
Next
Chrysalis.
butterfly. Okay, one more time. Repeat after ma'am. Egg.
Egg.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Chrysalis.
Chrysalis.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Okay, now all of you take the butterfly rhyme page.
This.
Take the butterfly rhymes page. Everyone take the butterfly rhymes page. Take your pencil in your hand. Yes. Ready all of you? Butterfly rhymes page. Okay, the first word is the. The. Circle the word the. Ilango, the circle பண்ணுங்க Ilango. You want me to tell me the page number?
No, ma'am, we got it.
Yeah. The. One time if you circle also, it's enough, children. Just find out the word the. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Yes. Found out the. And the next word you're going to find out is and. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. D. And. And. Who's this Gopi Manogran? Can you please enable your video?
Good morning, ma'am.
Nitish
Good morning. Sorry? Nitish. Okay, fine. Good morning, Madhuvanti. Good morning, Tilakar. Good morning, Mokshita. Good morning, Nitish. Take your rhymes, butterfly rhymes, and then circle the word and. A-N-D and.
Ma'am,
Yes?
now only we joined, ma'am. What we want to do, ma'am?
Take your rhymes book, butterfly rhymes, and ask
Okay,
Mokshita to circle the word and.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
T and. T-H-E. The அப்புறம் and. ரெண்டுமே circle பண்ணணும்.
அப்படியே பார்த்துட்டு ஒன்று ஒன்றும் வரி வரியா பார்த்துக்கோ.
The and. A-N-D and.
அடுத்த வரி பாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன் பாரு. இதுல ம். அடுத்தது இருக்கு.
Finish circling.
ம். இங்க பாரு.
A-N-D and. Mute yourself, sorry, Madhuvanti.
பண்றேன்.
Unnecessarily don't unmute yourself. And T-H-E the. Finish. Only two words you are going to circle. First one is the, and the second word is and. A-N-D and. Shavanya, finish.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Yes, Nakshatra, finish. Very good. Who else?
Yes, finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija.
The man singing, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, finish. Okay, close your book.
Finished,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good, Mokshita.
My buddhi to erase the bullet.
Okay, close your book. Those are finished. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, very good. Yeah, very good, Mama Dwanti. Join your hands and close your eyes. Nimalan Kidzi anthem.
You are with me, you are infinite, you are unique, my word is
You are the wind.
beneath my flight, you define me, my potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with all my might, I surrender to you, my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning, children. Very good morning. Keep standing. Yeah, keep standing for the warm up activity.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, hold up tight. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, hold up tight. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop.
Well done. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
बोलो ऊंचा बोलो मम्मा
Very good, Adya. Next. Ilango. Madhuvanti, please mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Very good, Ilango. Next. Yes, very good, Nakshatra. Next, Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Next, Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Next, Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Ravina. Srinija.
I am Velinam.
Very good,
I
Srinija.
am Velinam.
Okay. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. Absent. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, Chinchu.
Sinchu Mama. Huh? Here I am, Sinchu Mama. From tomorrow onwards, Sinchu Mama is going to take class for you. See. Next, Adarsh. Yes, very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, children. Next, we are going to move on to our rhyme session. First is Under a Web. Who is going to sing? Who is going to sing Under a Web? Anyone? Who knows the rhyme Under a Web? Under a Web. Who knows? Madhuvantiya. Sarah. Okay, come on, Sarah. Under a above it. Very good. Well done. Okay, next is Over. Who is going to sing Over? Yes, Shravanya. Yes, Shravanya.
Over has my little dog gone. Over can keep it. It is ear so short and its tail so long. Over can keep it.
Very good. Well done. Okay, next time Incy Spider. Who knows? Who's going to sing? Yes, Srinija. Incy.
Yes, ma'am. Instrument spider, we climb up the water. Now came in water.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Down came in rain.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. Down came in.
Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. Incy Spider went up the spout again. Okay. Now all of you take your rhymes book, Rocket Rhymes. Page number 20, I think. Rocket Rhymes. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme, that is a culmination 4 rhyme, Rocket Rhymes. Have you all taken the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ready? Page number 20. Okay, first listen to the rhyme, everyone. Rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. goes the astronaut in his rocket high? Yes, who will go in a rocket, children? What will you call him? The person who goes in a rocket, what will you call him? We call him a astronaut. Okay? Yeah, astronaut. Very good. One more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. How the rocket first? It will go. It will go straight up, right? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye, goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yeah, one more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye, goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yes, very good. Now take your pencils, everyone. Circle the word in.
You.
In. I-N, in.
I.
I-N, in.
N.
Insert பண்ணுங்க. எங்க இருக்கு இங்க?
உள்ள பேசிங்க இல்ல
இந்த இருக்கு இது.
எந்த பென்சில்
Next is it. I-T, it.
I
I-T, it.
N
T-O-2. T-O-2.
Mama get correct.
T-O-2. T-O-2.
Tooth.
Next, up. U-P, up. Up, up. U-P, up.
U.
U-P, up. U-P, up. And the spelling is a. U, P, 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 P for the candles. P, P, P. U-P, up.
And
Finish?
rocket up.
Yes? Finish, everyone? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye, goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Finish. Very good. Now keep your books aside. Keep your books aside. Today we are going to learn a new concept. And the name of the concept is transport. Yes, now I want to ask you children, if you want to go to your grandma's house, or if you want to go to a mall, if you want to go to a beach, how will you go? How will you go? You go by walk? நடந்து போவீங்களா? You will go by walk? Yeah, you will go by car. Then
Bike.
Bike. Okay, car, bike. Then
Cycle.
cycle also you will go. Okay, so to nearby places like shops and all, you will go by cycle. Okay, then To your native place, far your native place, how will you go? How will you go? Train? Will you go by train, bus? Sometimes, sometimes by aeroplane. Yes? Yeah, so these are all transport children. Transport means the vehicle which you use to move from one place to another. எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் you cannot go by walk. எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் நடந்தே போக முடியுமா? Can you go by walk? எல்லா இடத்துக்கும் நடந்தே போக முடியுமா? No. Your legs will pain. கால் வலிக்கும் இல்லையா? For that only we use vehicles. Transport. And there are three types of transport. First is land transport. Sarah, mute yourself. First is land transport. Land transport means it will go on the land. Land na road la pogum. Okay, on the land. Second one is the water transport. Water transport means it will go in water. Okay, and third one is air transport. Air transport goes on the air. Okay, so there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport goes on the land, water transport goes in water, and air transport goes in the air. Okay, so now what are all the land transport that goes on the road? Can anyone tell me what are all the land transport? Road la enna vehicles pogum? Have you seen? What all will go on the road?
Lorry, bus.
Car, bus,
Lorry, bus.
then lorry, then
Bus.
on road, what all will go on the road? They are called as land transport. What are they? Bike, then auto, van, jeep, and then ambulance. Very good. And then what else? Truck. Very good. Truck. Then crane. Okay, all these are. Yes, ma? Ice cream truck. Okay, truck. Okay, very good, Sarah. So next you are going to tell me what are all the water transport. What are all the vehicles that go on water? Boat. Very good. Yacht. Good. Yacht. Ship. Ship. Very good. And submarine. Submarine. Yes. And then what all will go? Yeah, boat, ship, everything, cargo ship. Yes, ma? Boat, okay. All these are water transport. Very good. You all know what is water transport, land transport. Very good. And next one, third one is air transport. What are all the transport that goes in the air? Air, sky, mele sky la pogume. What are all those vehicles? Aeroplane. Then helicopter. Very good. And then now the rhyme we learned. How we learned the rhyme? Rocket. Very good. Rocket. Then parachute, hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. All these are air transport. It goes in the air. Helicopter, very good. It goes in the air. So today we are going to see some of the pictures related to three types of transport. First is the land transport. Second one is the water transport. And the third one is the air transport. So I am going to show you some pictures. You are going to identify whether it is land transport, water transport or air transport. Okay? Okay. Can you all see my screen? Okay, this is yacht. What type of transport is this, children? Air, water or land? Water. You can see it is on the water only. So it is a water transport. Very good. Next, van. Van. What type of transport is this? Land. Yeah, land transport. You should not say it as road transport. You should tell us land transport. Okay. Next, Truck. What type of transport is this?
Land.
Land. Very good. Next, submarine.
Water.
What type of transport?
Water.
Water. It will be under the water only. Under. Water will be up. It will be under the water. So it is water transport. Next,
Ship.
ship. Ship. What type of transport? Water transport. Very good. And then
Rocket.
rocket. What type of transport is this? What type? Air. Very good. Air transport. Good. Then road roller. Very good. Road roller. Land transport. Very good. Next. Yes. Yeah. Parachute. Okay. It's not hot air balloon. Parachute for paragliding. Okay. So this is also an air transport. Okay. Next. Bike. Bike is the what type of transport? Land. Very good. Land transport. Children, don't write as road transport. It is land. Okay. Next. Jet. Air transport. Jet. It will go in the sky only. It is air transport. Next. Jeep. Jeep is a land transport. Very good. It goes on road. It's a land transport. Very good. Next. Bulldozer. What type of transport is this? Land transport. Children, all the land transport will have wheels, children. Okay, will have wheels so that it will go on the land. Okay. Next.
Balloon.
Hot air balloon. What type of transport is this? Water. Air transport. Very good. It's not water transport. It is air transport. You can see high up in the sky. That is air transport. Next. Helicopter. Where it will go? Land, air, or water? Huh? Land. Who said land? Air. You can see it in the sky only. How it will fly? It will fly on the land. No, it will fly in the sky only. Okay. Next, fighter plane. Fighter plane. Air transport. Very good. Air transport. Next, bicycle. Land transport. Very good. Bicycle is a land transport. Very good. Next, crane. Crane. Crane is a land transport. Very good. Next, cement mixer. Cement mixer is also a land transport. It goes on road. Very good. Next, cargo ship. Very good, Srinija. Water transport. You can very well see it goes on water. It is water transport. Good. Next, car. Land transport. It goes on road. So it is a land transport. Next, this is canoe. It is water transport. Canoe. It is a small boat. Only 2-3 people can go. Okay, canoe. And next, bus. Land transport. Very good. Bus is a land transport. This is boat. Normal boat. It is, yeah, water transport. Very good. Next, auto. What type of transport? Land transport. Very good. Next, ambulance. Very good. Land transport. And then aeroplane. Aeroplane. Kaya. Air transport. Air transport. Very good, children. Now I want all of you to take your worksheet. Take your worksheet D92 CT. Here 3 types of transport is given: air transport, water transport and land transport. For air transport, you are going to write A. For water transport, you are going to write W. And for land transport, you are going to write L. L.
Ma'am, what's the page number, ma'am?
D92 CT. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 16/11/2121. And the day is Tuesday. Month is November. Air transport. Air transport. So you are going to write A. You can see a parachute here. And then next is a boat. It is a water transport. So W.
Ma'am, once again the sheet number, ma'am.
9D92 CT.
Okay, ma'am.
Third one is the camel cart. Camel cart goes on land. It is land transport L. Air transport write A. Water transport write W. And land transport write L.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Momochita.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good, Manakshitra. Finish? And next worksheet, those are finished. Take D92 LT worksheet. Here we are going to pair the things together, match the things that go together with each other. Write today's date, children. Yes. Ready? So here, what will you use to play with the bat? What will you use? Bat? Will you play with the socks? Bat?
Ball.
Very good, Kevin. Bat, ball. You will play only with the ball using a bat. And then shoes. What will you use along with the shoes? Socks. Very good. Socks. And then table. If you want to write using a table, what will you use? You sit and write. Yeah, chair. Table and chair. Very good. Next, lock. If your house is locked, then how will you open the lock? With a key. Very good. Next, notebook. If you want to write in a notebook, what will you use? What will you use? Notebook na enna use பண்ணுவீங்க எழுதுறதுக்கு? Pencil. Very good, Kevin. Pencil. Bat, ball, shoe, socks, chair, table, lock, key, notebook, pencil. Finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, good.
Table kenadu?
Okay, very good. First, Kevin, count numbers from 1 to 10. Kevin,
Table.
wrote down numbers from 1 to 10.
Here.
1,
Chair.
Can count பண்ணு.
1,
1,
Three. Ready, come.
See here. 1.
One,
Mm.
two,
Mm.
3,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
6,
Mm.
7,
Mm.
8,
Mm.
9,
Mm.
10.
Very good. 10. Next, Nakshatra, 11 to 20.
1, 2, 12.
11.
1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19.
2,
2,
0.
20.
Very good. From 21 to 30, 2, 1, 21. Adya Sharma.
2, 1, 21.
Hmm. 2, 2, 22.
2, 2, 22.
Hmm.
3, 23.
Hmm.
24, 25, 26,
2, 6, 26.
2, 6, 26,
2, 7.
7,
Hmm. 27.
27,
2, 8.
2, 8,
Hmm.
28,
2, 9.
2, 9,
29. 3, 0.
3, 0, 13.
Very good. Well done, Adya. Next is Sara. 31 to 40. 3, 1, 31.
31, 32,
3, 2, 33. 3, 1, 31. 32. 33. Okay, say it like this. 33, 34. Okay, next.
31, 32 अभी चल लेना 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Very good. Next is Ilango. 41 to 50. 41 to 50.
41, 41, 42, 43,
45.
45,
Hmm.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 46.
50. Very good. Next, Ravanya. 51 to 60. 51.
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60.
3.
Very good. Adarsh. 61 to 70. 61.
61,
62,
Hmm.
63, count 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
70. Very good. 71 to 80. Madhuvanti.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
80. Very good. 81 to 90. Riyasri.
81, 22, 23,
81.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87,
88.
88,
89.
89,
90.
90,
91 to 90. Okay, 91 to 100, Nitish. 91.
32,
90.
33,
No, 91.
31, 92, 93, 90, 99,
94, 95,
95,
hmm, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Very good. Now all of you take your worksheet, children. Worksheet number is D91 MT. D90 D91 MT. You will have number 61 and 62. 61, 61, 62, 62. Come on, count all the group of tens and then you have to write, children. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and then one single pack you will have, that is 61.
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am.
D91 MT.
Okay. 61, 62.
Yeah, 61 and 62.
Okay.
Spell and write, children. 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. First count it, strike out and count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After 60, 61. Finish, children. Six to 62. Spell and write. Finished, Sarah?
No, ma'am. She is saying that she will write 62 in the night.
Why?
But night never comes, ma'am.
Sarah. I don't know what you are going to do when you go back to school, huh? Finish, Srinija?
She is in the last line, ma'am.
Okay, right. Tilakar, finish. Finish.
Mosita, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Very good, Srinija. Good.
Shoutings.
Hmm? Finish, Adya?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
finish, ma'am.
Yes, finished, everyone. Okay, quickly we'll have a recap of shapes, children. Okay, what shape is this?
Circle.
Yeah, circle. Okay, and then what shape is this? Yeah, semicircle. Very good. And then what shape is this? Oval. Very good. Okay, and then what shape is this? Do you all remember? Huh? What shape is this? Crescent. Crescent shape. Do you all remember? Crescent shape. Crescent. Okay. What shape is this? Triangle. Very good. What shape is this? Square. Okay. What shape is this? Rectangle. Very good. Okay. What shape is this? Diamond. Very good. And then what shape is this? Star. Very good. Well done. So this is circle, semicircle, oval, crescent, triangle, square, diamond, rectangle, star. So these are the shapes so far we have covered, and also heart shape. Okay. So that's it for today, children. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye. Bye, bye. Yes, bye, everyone.
Talk to you for 2 minutes.
Yes, bye, and thank you, children. Bye, Tilakar. Bye,
Ma'am, I want to
Adya.
talk to you
Yes.
for 2 minutes.
Ah, yeah.
Ma'am, actually, we are leaving on this weekend for our hometown.
Okay.
So I
You will
just
not
want.
be attending class?
No, it is for 20 days, so it is not possible. In between, we have a marriage also to attend. So we will be
Okay.
attend for few days. We will be traveling, so we will be missing classes. So it will be on and off. So I just wanted to check which books we shall carry because we will be, there will be lot of load that we have to check on
Yeah.
the flight.
Yeah, that is, you have workbook number 4 and 2 notebooks. That will do. No need of carrying all those rhymes book and then that my water book and all is no need.
But right now
Just,
we have book number 3.
so yeah, your workbook number 3. Sorry.
So
That
you want
workbook,
me to carry the whole workbook? That is a bigger problem for me.
approximately how many days you will not be here?
On 20 from 22nd till 10th. On 13th, I think she has her exams. We will be back.
Yeah. So what shall I do? At least 20 days worksheet. You have to take it. I can't do anything with that. So only one book, no? You can take it. Notebook, maths notebook and English notebook.
Can't you
Nothing
tell
I
me
can.
the worksheet numbers? I will take out the pages and take it because the weight is very heavy of this workbook.
Okay, then give me some time. I will message you what are all the worksheets that you have to
I
take.
have the time is there till Friday, or if I
Okay.
can cut it in 2 pieces also, no, it will be easy for me to carry.
Okay, fine. Then I'll tell you what are all the worksheets that you have to carry. I'll send you. I'll message you. Okay. Yeah, no.
Thank you so
But
much.
try
I'm sorry for
maximum try to attend classes because there are more
Ma'am,
things that is blending
will
sounds
be
only.
attending the classes on the day of marriage or on the day of traveling alone.
Okay, fine.
We will be
Okay.
missing.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
I'll
So,
definitely send you. Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Thank
Bye.
you so much.
Yeah, bye, Adya. Thank you.